In this video I'm sharing a simple and effective way to use tomatoes to boost collagen and remove wrinkles and fine lines. Give it a try and the results will shock you. First recipe. Ingredients. 1 ripe tomato. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 cup of water. Instructions. Start by washing and then cutting the ripe tomato into small pieces. Place the tomato pieces in a blender or food processor and blend until you have a smooth paste. In a separate bowl, mix the cornstarch with the water until it forms a smooth, lump-free mixture. Pour the cornstarch and water mixture into a saucepan and heat it over low-medium heat, stirring constantly. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens into a paste-like consistency. Once the cornstarch mixture has thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Add the tomato paste to the cornstarch mixture and mix them together thoroughly. Allow the mixture to cool down to room temperature. Your tomato mask is now ready to use. How to apply. Ensure your face is clean and free of makeup or dirt. Gently apply a thin layer of the tomato mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes, or until it dries. Once it's dry, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer. Benefits. Tomato and cornstarch mask. Harness the power of tomatoes and cornstarch to boost collagen production, combat signs of aging, and reduce wrinkles for a more youthful appearance. Second recipe. Ingredients. 1 ripe tomato. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 cup of water. 1 tablespoon oatmeal, preferably finely ground. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions. Follow the same initial steps as mentioned in the previous recipe to prepare the tomato paste and the cornstarch mixture. After allowing the cornstarch mixture to cool for a few minutes, add the finely ground oatmeal and olive oil to the mixture. Mix them in thoroughly. Incorporate the tomato paste into the mixture and blend it well until you have a consistent mask. Allow the combined mixture to cool to room temperature. How to apply. Make sure your face is clean and free of makeup or dirt. Apply a thin and even layer of the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let the mask sit on your face for about 30 minutes or until it dries. Once it's dry, gently massage your face with wet fingertips in circular motions. This will help exfoliate your skin with the oatmeal. Finally, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Finish with your regular moisturizer. Benefits. Tomato, oatmeal, and olive oil mask. This mask combines the goodness of tomatoes, oatmeal, and olive oil to promote skin renewal, enhance collagen production, and diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Third recipe. Ingredients. 1 ripe tomato. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 cup of water. 2 teaspoons rice flour. 1 teaspoon almond oil. Instructions. Begin by following the initial steps from the first recipe to create the tomato paste and the cornstarch mixture. After allowing the cornstarch mixture to cool for a few minutes, incorporate the rice flour and almond oil into the mixture. Mix them thoroughly. Add the tomato paste to the mixture and blend everything together until you have a consistent mask. Allow the combined mixture to cool down to room temperature. How to apply. Ensure that your face is clean and free from makeup or dirt. Apply a thin, even layer of the mask to your face while avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to sit on your face for approximately 30 minutes or until it dries. Once it's dry, gently massage your face with wet fingertips in circular motions. This will provide mild exfoliation due to the rice flour. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Finish with your regular moisturizer. Benefits. Tomato, rice flour, and almond oil mask. Elevate your anti-aging skincare routine with this mask, featuring tomato, rice flour, and almond oil. It gently exfoliates, nourishes, and stimulates collagen, leaving your skin looking youthful and smoother with reduced wrinkles. Here are some additional tips for using tomatoes to remove wrinkles. Eat tomatoes regularly. The antioxidants in tomatoes can help to protect your skin from damage and prevent wrinkles from forming. Drink tomato juice regularly. Tomato juice is a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of skin cancer. Apply tomato juice to your skin. Tomato juice can be used as a natural toner to help tighten and brighten the skin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.